What's up, guys? It's Helaina here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. And today, guys, we are going to be opening up Squishies. And I'm going to open up this pink one first. So let's get started. So I have my blue scissors here, and I'm going to cut them open with. Okay, I'm going to take it out. It's very hard to take it out. It's super jiggly and wobbly. And it's super heavy too. And it's super squishy. So we'll just put that to the side. Right there. And then we'll get this pineapple squishy. And it has some crazy orbeez inside it. So we're going to get my blue scissors like I opened up this pink squishy ball with. And we're going to open up the same package with it like last time we did. So we're just going to hear that. Whoa, we have this huge pineapple, and it has this green stuff, and if you like squish it, look, like boop, and it's super squishy. Look at it. Can you hear that? That's super funny. And it has like a little pink brain inside it. Guys, did you realize it has like a little pink brain in it? Look. It's super funny. So today, remember what we did today. So today we actually opened this big squishy ball. Just remember that we opened today, and that we also opened up this squishy ball today. So just remember that, and remember that it has a little pink brain in it. So bye, guys.